Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a quick thumbnail for free. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to download and install Photoscape on your computer. And in case you didn't know, Photoscape is a free photo editing software that comes with a lot of functionalities. After installing this software on your computer, you need to open it and go straight to the editor section. Now, on this section, you need to upload a blank image from your computer, and from there you can start editing this image. You can paint the image with your suitable color and add a photo on it, then give it a border or outline to make your thumbnail more striking. Another thing that you can do is to add text to your thumbnail, and you can easily change the font, color, and size of the text. In addition, you can add things like icons, speech balloons, shapes, symbols, and even lines. Then you can go on to save your thumbnail. Generally, there is so much you can do with Photoscape, and like any other major photo editing software, you can crop and resize your image, brighten and sharpen your image, and even add filters and effects. You can also perform batch editing, combine images, make a page, and even create animated GIFs. So this is like everything for this video, and if you like this video, do me a favor by clicking the like button below and subscribing to this channel for more of these exciting videos.